Let's make an easy zucchini frittata. You slice the zucchini, add a little bit of oil to a pan, and then fry the zucchinis on both sides. Add some salt, and once they are fried, then you can add slice couple of green onions and put the lid on and add a splash of water so they cook faster. Put the lid on and then let them cook. Then once wilted, add sliced tomatoes, about 2 tomatoes sliced. Then add some salt, some pepper. I like to always season in layers. And then you can just put the lid on and let them cook for a couple of minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Using a spatula, turn them around onto the other side and let the tomatoes cook completely. Meanwhile, we are going to take some eggs. You can take 3 or you can take 4 if you would like more. Just break some eggs into a small bowl, add a splash of milk and some salt, some pepper, and using a fork, whisk them until frothy and well blended together. This is such an easy recipe to do. It takes very little time to make it, and it's wholesome and it's absolutely delicious. You can add more eggs if you would like. For 2 people, 3 eggs, we find it as a right amount. So whisk it together until frothy, and once the mixture in the pan is all cooked, then you pour this egg mixture over the tomatoes and add some salt and pepper if you need to. And then I like to just add some grated cheese on top. I use cheddar, but you can use other mozzarella if you would like, and just lift with a spatula so to get the egg mixture under the zucchinis and the tomatoes. And then cover it with a lid until all is cooked, and the eggs are gonna be so delicious. Look at this. Voila, all done. So simple, easy, and delicious. Enjoy!